Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we brought one good hosting that it has a very good features and it is at the cheapest price for India and USA, and it has a very reliable website hosting. I sorry, it's a hosting and in a cheapest price at a very good speed. And if you want, you can find the link in the description also. And it has a very good services and support also. I am also using this website for such a long time. For e-commerce also it's very good. You can host multiple products also in that. It's very good. So let's grab to this is a hosting, that is a HostyCare. This is the best hosting with the high performance and with the cheapest prices and reliable prices also. So if I go to the basic normal share hosting, it has a, reliable price of, I will keep mostly in the INR only. It's a, for 59 rupees you are getting for 2 months, two websites host you can able to for 50 GB storage, and you are getting a 10 email ID. You better go for this plan, that is 129 rupees, and you will get a 120 website hosting and 100 GB of NVMe storage, and that is 120 email accounts and free domain also. You are getting an unlimited subdomains you can able to create it. That is a very good, and it is has a free migrate also, and SEO also supported is a, and a fully automatically, and it is has a push attack and all those things has been there, and it's very good with the updated PHP and all those supported things. Even if you are going for a WordPress also, it has a WordPress hosting also. It's the same prices, nothing much. It's slightly big of rupees, it will be different. If you are going for 59 rupees, you better go for a 129 rupees. Standard prices is very good, and you can host the same thing, same as a 120 hosting and all those things. If you are going for WooCommerce, then it will be very good. It has going to increase the price. If you are going for a 200 websites, that is WooCommerce, and you can have a 200 GB of storage, and it has a 1,25,000 visiting users and unlimited bandwidth and unlimited email IDs you have, and unlimited subdomains, and you will going to get a one free domain also, and free SSL and everything. And it has a fully optimized website, you can able to use it out. And if you want to go for a cloud also, it's a, you want a WordPress cloud also, you can go with the WordPress cloud, and it is going to cost you 559 rupees, and it's very good compared to other hosting, and it is very cheapest, and you will going to get one domain and everything. If you are going for a WooCommerce hosting also, then is the same price as 599. But if you are going for a hosting, cloud hosting also, it's very good, because your website will going to run very fastly, and you can see there is a 1500 1,50,000 visitors per month you can able to get it. It's quite good. And if I go for the domain prices also, it's quite good. If we go for a domain prices also, I think they have mentioned here, for a .com it's like 499 rupees, and .net and .in is 199 rupees. If you want to go with that, you can go ahead, and it is very cheapest price. Right now, if you want to go for a GoDaddy, it shows 1 rupee, but you'll going to check out and going to show 1,000 rupees. So it's better that one. 499 is very good. I think it has a GST is extra in that, so 499 since some around it is 18 rupees. So you will going to get it's very cheapest price for you. So whoever required this kind of a hosting, please let us know. We're going to support if I have a technical issue. And this hosting has a very good support team. They going to follow up with you very carefully. What are the problem you are facing? They will going to fix it out. They will going to call you, and they will going to follow up what the problem you are facing. They will make sure that the problem should be fixed as soon as possible. They will going to follow up. There has a ticket system also. So whoever required this hosting, or you want to buy domain, you can find the link in my description. Please go and buy if you want the hosting. I think in upcoming December you will going to get more offers. So please like our channel and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.